When a deficiency or defect is identified in the field, it is classified as either a Type A, Type B, or Type C deficiency. A Type A deficiency is a showstopper, affecting technical functionality or safety of the system and must be addressed before moving on to the next step of commissioning. A Type B deficiency does not immediately impact commissioning but must be rectified before handover to the owner. And a Type C deficiency is a minor defect not impacting functionality of the system that is agreed to be completed after handover to the owner. All deficiencies get added to the deficiency tracking sheet where they are categorized and then rectified per specification.
This is one of the topics covered in my 3-day mini course on commissioning and startup. To get started with the full course, please go to commissioningandstartup.com where you can sign up for free. My name is Paul Turner, and I want to help you survive and thrive in your commissioning career.